Welcome to the Anyword workshop. I'm Jenna, a content marketing manager here at Anyword. And today we're going to explore how to create the best Amazon product listing with Anyword. Hey Anyworders, I'm on Anyword and I'm going to create my project for an Amazon product listing. For today's example, our product is Elmer's Washable Glitter Glue. I've entered the technical details of my product in my brief, but you can also just put in a short product description here, and I'm going to hit Create Project. Alright, here we can generate copy for a paragraph description or a feature list, and I'm going to go ahead and generate copy for a paragraph description. Awesome, so here are some of the copy variations generated for our paragraph description, and these numbers right here are our predictive performance scores. They let us know how well this copy would perform. And if we click on details for these numbers, we see even further information about who this copy would appeal to in terms of age and gender-related tone of voice. So that's really amazing. All right, now let's generate some copy for our feature list. So I'm going to hit generate. Awesome. So here are some copy variations generated for our feature list. If you want to change the information in the copy variations being generated, just go back to your brief here and you can continue to edit and tweak the information in here. You can also add customer personas and product attributes. And in product attributes, you can add multiple features and benefits. Now I've just quickly entered some features and benefits and I'm going to hit save brief. Now in your paragraph description asset, you see all of your custom templates based on your features and benefits. Let's generate some copy based on the benefit that it's safe for all ages. Here are some copy variations based on this custom template. And remember, you can also add a customer persona here. So for this one, I might want to add a student and hit save brief. And now we can generate copy specifically tailored to our customer persona of a student. So I'm going to hit generate more. Amazing. So here are some of our copy variations specifically based on the persona description of a student right here. And if you have existing copy that you want to rewrite, just hit the rewrite section right here, copy and paste your existing text here, and you can generate in any of these rewrite styles and hit generate. Awesome. And you'll see that my predicted performance score of 53 was tremendously improved. And there you have it. Enjoy creating your Amazon product listing on Anyword.